What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja, and today I'm back with another wig install for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's move along to the video. For today's video, I will be installing this curly bob unit from Nadulahair. This one is their 10-inch C-part unit. It's already pre-styled, pre-cut, and ready to wear. The lace is pre-plucked for us. This unit is a simple 5-minute grab and go unit. It comes with the adjustable band, and this one is their upgraded breathable silicone wig band. This is it. Straight out the box, the unit is super soft, super easy to install. So let's go ahead and move right along to the video. I will be leaving the information for this unit down below, so make sure you check out my description to see any coupon codes and all the good stuff down in my description. I'm just going to go ahead and move along to the install. So we did receive a few goodies in our package as well. So this is what the unit looks like straight out the box, like no work needed. It's a quick grab and go unit, and I love the curls on this unit. I love the way the unit fits to my head, like it's giving us a really snug fit. This is it, and I like the vibes on this unit. Like the curls, the side part is just giving us a really bougie vibes, and it gives us a nice wet curl look. This is it. When it came ready to wear, it's giving us a really nice wet curl bougie vibes, and I love it. The side part on this unit, this is it. The lace was already pre-cut. The unit is pre-styled. Less than 5 minutes, you're ready to go. Just gonna go ahead, define the curls a little bit more, and then I'll show you guys the finished look.
So this is the final look. I absolutely love how this turned out. It is super gorgeous. It's giving us a really natural look. I love the curls on this unit. It's giving us a really bougie vibe. It's 100% glueless. I absolutely just love how this unit turned out. This is it. Again, this hair is from Nadulahair, and this is their 10-inch C-part bob. I absolutely love how it turned out. The unit is 100% glueless, ready to wear, 5-minute grab-and-go unit. I love it. It's gorgeous, super bouncy, very, very soft, and I love how this unit turned out. If you want to get this unit, I will be leaving the link down below, so go ahead and check out my description and make your purchase. If you want to get any other product from Nadulahair, their website is down below, so go ahead and check out my description. This is where I'll be leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.